Tastes like chemicals.
We're testing all the dairy-free eggnog in our grocery store, so you don't have to.
Following day.
This is Diana from the future. Make sure to watch to the end because I get a brilliant idea that totally pushes the top dairy-free eggnog above and beyond.
Flashback.
Aloha friends and welcome to Eating Richly. If you're new here, I'm Diana Johnson and today our family is doing a dairy-free eggnog showdown. The kids and I are ready for bed. That's my pajamas. But we're testing the eggnog because eggnog always tastes better in pajamas. This will truly be a blind taste test. None of us will know in advance whether we are trying the almond milk, soy milk, or coconut milk eggnog. Have you ever tried eggnog before?
No.
Never?
Yeah, in my whole life.
Do you know you actually have? You just don't remember?
No. When I get dairy, I taste that and my tummy hurts.
I am dairy-free because the house smells better that way.
It smells like cake. It smells good.
I don't smell anything.
I can very slightly smell it.
It smells like sugar.
It's good.
Tastes like cake. Tastes like sugar.
It's like thick sugar water.
And it's not too thick. I don't like all the thickener they add.
I don't get any eggnog from this.
Oh.
Corbin did the same
I
thing.
smelled it good.
It smells the same.
I don't smell anything.
It smells like the same as the first.
It doesn't smell like anything.
Tastes like hot cocoa.
It just tastes like sugar water.
It's like sugar water.
They taste the same. I mean, it tastes like my almond milk. Yeah, because almond milk tastes like chocolate.
If you like sugar water, this is the dairy-free eggnog for you.
It's not right.
It smells the same. Smells the same.
This one smells a little stronger.
Smells slightly like eggnog.
Tastes like whipped cream.
It's thicker.
Tastes like eggnog, but not really enough spice to it. Mostly super sweet. This is why we usually dilute eggnog with milk.
Tastes like chemicals.
That's not good. It's not bad.
But it tastes kind of bad.
It's not my favorite though. That's the only one you didn't finish. That's okay, you don't have to finish it. This video just feels anticlimactic now.
I don't know what I expected.
I really hoped that there would be a clear winner.
2 days later.
Now we have a winner. It's 1 in the morning. I've been up filming videos. I realized that the almond milk eggnog just doesn't have enough spice for me to really taste like eggnog. So what if I add in some freshly grated nutmeg and a bit of cinnamon? I don't know if you can see that there's nutmeg and cinnamon on top there. It already smells so much more like eggnog. This is it. Oh, it's so much better. I'm so excited. Almond Breeze Almond Milk Nog is the winner, but just add some fresh grated nutmeg and some Saigon cinnamon to really give it that eggnog flavor. If you want another drink showdown video, check out Dalgona whipped coffee versus ice blended coffee, and I'll see you in the next video. It does have a slight hint of rum. I'm dairy free because Diana makes me.
Yeah, exactly. Should I not say that anymore?